Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's me, Janna, and today I'm going to teach you how to transform a standard form of an equation into a general form of an equation. So, let's get started! We have two formulas. One is x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. The other one is x minus a quantity squared plus y minus b quantity squared is equals to r squared. So, what is the difference between the two formulas? First one is used when the center of the circle is at the origin, while this one is used when the center of the circle is not at the origin. Only that the center of the circle is at -3, 2, and the radius is 4. We will transform this into a standard form using, of course, the formula x minus a quantity squared plus y minus b quantity squared is equals to r squared, because like what I've told you before, when the center of the circle is not at the origin, we will use this formula. So we will now substitute the values. X minus -3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 4. So, we will keep on simplifying the equation. X minus -3 would become x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to, so we will think of a number that when multiplied by itself would equals to 4. And that would be 2 squared. So this is our standard form. Now that we have the standard form, we are going to transform it into the general form. First step is to expand the equation. Since the equation is squared, we can multiply it by itself. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. We're going to use FOIL method with this one. X times x, x squared. X times 3, 3x. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 3 would become 9. Now, we can still simplify the equation by adding these two like terms. X squared plus 6x plus 9 would become the sum. Same with y. Y minus 2 times another y minus 2. Y times y would become y squared. -2 times y would become -2y. And then -2 times y would become -2y. -2 times -2, that would be +4. Then y squared, add another like terms. Y squared would be minus 4y plus 4. This would be the final sum. Now that we have expanded the equation, we are going to put together the like terms. X squared plus y squared plus 6x here minus 4y plus 9 plus 4 would be equals to 2 times 2, 2 raised to 2 would become 2, would become 4. 4. And this is our general form. I'm going to give you another example so that you can master the whole procedure. Let's say that the center of the circle is at 5, -5, and its radius is 144. What do we do again? We use the formula, of course. Why are we using this formula again and not the other one? To make it again clear to you, It's because that the center of the circle is not at the origin. Second thing we do, we substitute the value. X minus 5 quantity squared plus y minus negative 5 quantity squared is equals to r squared, or we can say 144. We can simplify it again. X minus 5 quantity squared plus y minus negative 5 would already be y plus 5 quantity squared equals to, think of a number multiplied by itself would become 144, and that would be 12 squared. Now we have the standard form. Have the standard form, the first thing we need to do to make it general form is to expand the equation. Like what I've said before, since it's squared, we can multiply it by itself. So x minus 5 times another x minus 5. X times x, x squared. X times negative 5 would be negative 5x. Negative 5 times x would become negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 5 would become positive 25. To simplify it, again, we combine the like terms, and that would be x squared minus 10x plus 25. As we do this thing with x, we are going to do the same with y. So add plus plus. Y plus 5 times y plus 5 again. Y times y, y squared, plus 5 times y would be 5y. 5 times y, 5y. 5 times 5, 25. Now we have y squared, combine the like terms, 10y plus 25. Now, this is the general form. Now for the final step, we combine the like terms, x and y. X squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 10y plus 25 plus 25. 12 squared would become 144. And this is our general form. Hope you like it and you learned something. Thank you. See you again.
So okay, again, hello guys. And now, blah blah blah. And then now, we're going to. I'm going to show you how to convert equation of the circle to standard form and to general form. But first, before we do that general thing, we need the coordinates and the radius of the circle. For example, the coordinates is our origin, and the radius is equals to 6. The coordinate is the let the coordinates be the center of the circle, and the equation of the circle is in the form of x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. This is the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. Now, let's substitute the x and y and the radius. Or let the x be x and let the y be y. Like x squared y squared is equals to 6 squared. So here's our equation. So let's square this 6 and it is equals to 36. So next is this is the the general or not completely general. Let's transpose the 36 to the left. Squared is equals to negative 36 is equals to 0. So here it is, the standard. Alright, wait. This is the standard, sorry. Standard. And this is the general term or form. General form. So this is easy and yet simple. If your center of the circle is in the origin, what if your center of the circle is not in the origin? So let's try another example. For example, the coordinates is 5, 10, and the radius is equals to 25. So, in the first one, our equation is equals to x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. But in the form of quantity x minus a squared plus quantity y minus b squared is equals to r squared. This is the equation. If the center of the circle is not in the origin. So let's solve this by transposing the or substituting the 5 as x, as a, and 10 as b. X minus 5 is equal to quantity squared plus quantity y minus 10 squared is equals to 25 squared. And like as I said, let's square the number, the 25. And 25 times 25 is equals to 625. This is our standard form. Quantity x minus 5 squared plus y minus 10 quantity squared equals 625. This is our standard form. And to convert it into general form, let's square the x and y coordinates. The form of, or let's factor the x. First, let's factor the x minus 5. And it is equals to x squared minus 10 plus 25. Now the y plus y squared minus 20 y plus 100 equals to 625. So let's arrange it to by exponent, highest to lowest. x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus or minus 20y plus 25 plus 100 is equals to 625. So this is the arrangement that you're going to solve. What am I saying? So to make it, this is not done already. Let's transpose the 625. This is x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 100 minus 625 because we transpose it and equals to 0. It turns to 0. So let's add 25 plus 100 minus 65, and the answer is x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 20y plus or negative 500 is equals to 0. That is our general term. And that's how we do it.